thing is slow as hell. What's going on, guys? Back at it again. Today my buddy Tom dropped off his bike. We got a bunch of new parts on it, including this beautiful YASUNI pipe, but one problem, it's restricted. So today's video is going to be on how to de-restrict these YASUNI pipes. Alright guys, so this is the pipe. We're going to be removing it, but removal and installation is relatively simple, just a few bolts. So in this case, we're going to be removing these two bolts, and there's two 10 millimeters on the actual motor. Usually let that one hang for now, so when you take the thing off, it's not, when you take the exhaust off, it's not just hanging. Then on this side, just take this off a little. Hopefully I can get to it with this. Just can. So I'll take this one out completely, the one closest to me, if I'm able to. And then I'll leave the other one just loose in there. Alright, just like that. Now, support the muffler with one hand while removing that last bolt, and then you can kind of apparently this one couldn't swing out because it has this big restrictor plate in it, or is like a built-in gasket. So here's the pipe. It's out, removed. This one was a little bit more difficult because it has this, I don't know if it's like a this is a built-in washer, but normally you're able to just slide these pipes right out. This one wasn't allowing me to. But anyway, as you can see in there, there is two welds, and that little tube welded in there, that is your restrictor. So we're going to get rid of those welds, 1, 2, and take that one out. So let's get to that. Alright guys, so there's a couple ways that you could go about doing this. Any way you get it out is the right way, so let's just say that. But there's a few ways that you could do it, and the ways I like to do it. If I don't have a die grinder, I like to use a drill bit, and I'll kind of drill bit it out first, and then as much as I can, and then I will go in with the die grinder and try to take it out. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm literally going to drill into the weld and try to remove as much of it as possible. Obviously don't go through the pipe. See how that's just eating it up right there. You're gonna do that on both the welds as much as you can. So when you come in with the die grinder, if you have one, next you can just make short work of it. All right, so after you get the drill bit in there and destroy the inside of it, pretty much just the welds though. Now I will take the screwdriver, wedge that in there, and then you take it and you bend it back and forth side to side, back to forth. All right. All right, so now it's broken loose. I just have to get it out of there. And pull it out so I can show you guys. As you can see, it's in there. It's loose. So now I just got to pull it out. So I still got a little bit of slag inside of there on the bottom that's preventing me from pulling it out because this is still in one big piece. So I'm just going to use this die grinder, clean up that weld slag, and then literally it will drop right out. All right, so I die grinded those welds out the way, and literally it should drop right out. Just like that. So this right here is your restrictor, and that's what's robbing you of power. All right, guys, just cleaned it all up. Nice and smooth in there. All the welds are out. All the welds are out. See if I can get a flashlight in there for you guys. There you go. Cleaned all that up. Nice and smooth in there. And I actually took the bevel down on this pipe that was in there, so it's a nice smooth transition into the pipe from the head. So this is all cleaned. Gonna reinstall this back onto the bike and see if it goes faster than 25 miles per hour now. Alright guys, so the bike's back together, the pipe's back on, so we're gonna start it up, take it out, and go for a little rip and see how fast this thing is going now. Alright guys, now we're gonna take it for another ride on the de-restricted pipe. We're at the drag strip. Let's see what we're gonna do, right? And we're off. What is going on? Whoa. What is going on? I was not expecting that. I think this thing can do 50. I kind of want to take it on another run somewhere a little bit longer than our typical drag strip, but this thing did 45 easy. Easy. Wow. And that was just with de-restricting that pipe. Wow. I might have to get me a YASUNI pipe. Yeah, let's go to another strip, and we're gonna see how fast we can actually go on this thing. All right, guys. At the longer strip, we're gonna try for a max speed run. See how fast this thing will actually go, because now I'm super curious. I can't lie, takeoff is trash, but it picks up after 20 and then again at like 30 miles per hour. Here we go. Did you just see that? Like, seriously. This bike just hit 50 miles per hour. That's insane. This bike is stock. This is a stock bike. All we did was the YASUNI pipe, and we did the high-speed kit. Everything that just comes in this kit. That's it. Stock carburetor, stock head, no other tricks, no porting, no nothing. That thing just hit 50 miles per hour and it felt like it wanted to keep going. I literally had to stop because there was a car in front of us. But that's insane. He's definitely gonna have fun on this bike. If you guys like this video on how to de-restrict these YASUNI pipes, you guys know what to do, man. Peace.